Alright, for this question, we are supposed to express x in terms of y and z, alright, given this expression. So let's rewrite this original expression, x plus z over x minus z equals to y. Alright, so what we want is, eventually we want to manipulate this expression such that we have x equals to something. Okay, so that is the goal that we want to achieve. So to do that, we must first see how we can manipulate this expression. Since we have a fraction over here, what we can do is we can cross multiply. So y is of course y over 1, and that means we can cross multiply to eliminate the fraction. So what I will have is x plus z equals to y into x minus z. Alright, now the next step is I want to make sure all the x terms go over to the left hand side and everything else goes over to the right hand side. So here I have x plus z. Over here I have xy minus yz, correct? After I do the expansion here. Now the next step is the x terms, which are this and this, I can bring over to the left hand side. So I'll have okay, x minus xy equals to the z here I bring over the other side, so I got minus z minus yz. Alright, now I can factorize out the x1 minus y equals to, now z minus yz, what I can do is I can factorize out the minus 1. Okay, so if I factorize out minus 1, I'll get z, alright, plus yz. Alright, and one more step I can do is x1 minus y. I can now factorize out the z, so minus z 1 plus y. Alright, so you can see that in this expression, if I were to expand it out, minus z times 1, I will get minus z, and minus z times plus y, I'll get minus zy or minus yz. Alright, so I'm actually keeping to the original expression. Only thing I am factorizing out first the minus 1 and then from there the z. Okay, so now you see that I'm almost there. I have x by itself, but I have a factor here. So I divide the left hand side by 1 minus y. So I also divide the right hand side by 1 minus y. So what I have now is x equals to minus z 1 plus y over 1 minus y. Alright, and now you see that we have achieved our goal. Our goal was to manipulate the expression till we have x equals to some expression that is made up of y and z. Alright, so that is your final answer here for this question. Alright, thank you. Bye.